Hey guys, Assalamualikum, hello, hi, and once again welcome back to the veg recipes part 3 with me. Cooking is fun with Firdaus, and today I'm going to show you how you can make the best carrot recipe, which is going to be a cooked recipe, and it's not going to lose its nutritional value while you're going to cook it, because sauteing is the most healthiest way to cook the carrots. For about 7 to 9 minutes should be fine. This recipe is very delicious, very tempting, and very easy. So let's get started. Here to a pan I'm going to add oil. Here I'm using coconut oil. You can use any other oil if you wanted to. And then to this the tempering ingredients are curry leaves, Asofetida, dry red chillies, and mustard seed. Once you temper them, you can add the grated or the shredded carrot to it. Mix this well and cook this until the rawness is gone. And once that is gone, you can add the shredded coconut to it. Just mix it and let it cook for about another 1 minute and remove it in a plate. This is 2 to 3 teaspoons of Chana Dal which I have soaked, and I'm going to cook this just for 2 to 3 whistles until dal is cooked and not smashy. Moving on, let's take a pan to which I'll be adding in the oil, and I'm going to add chopped garlic with chopped onions. Here I'm cooking the onions and garlic separately is because I don't want to infuse two different flavors together. Like carrot has its own flavor which I don't want to mix it with onion and carrot by cooking it together. So the rawness has to fade away before we combine the two ingredients. That is why I'm cooking it separately, and the flavors play an important role in this. Here my onions and garlics are getting sauteed. Once this is sauteed well, I'm going to add the cooked chana dal to it and wait until the water evaporates. Once the water evaporates, you can add the carrot which you have already prepared and mix all this together. Just leave it for like around 2 to 3 minutes for it to cook well together, and then you can serve this hot and delicious carrot Poriyal, we call this in Tamil, in southern part of Chennai. So you can serve this with chapatis or any kind of Indian bread or naans, and you are going to love this. Even with rice, it's going to be awesome. Give this a try and share your experience in the comments section. Until then, you take care. We'll be back with another recipe soon. Allah Hafiz.